Stop wasting time and money on ideas that don't deliver.
Vending machines are one of the smartest ways to earn passive income anywhere. They work 24/7, require minimal staff, and tap into constant, high-demand markets. Whether it's food, drinks, gifts, or novelty items, the right product in the perfect location can generate thousands of dollars in monthly revenue. Today, I'm sharing 20 high-demand vending machine ideas that you can set up anywhere with clear profit potential, ideal locations, and marketing strategies to make them a success. If you're looking for a business that combines convenience with steady demand, a lunchbox vending machine is perfect. Ideal for office complexes, universities, and hospitals, these machines serve ready-to-eat meals, saving employees and students time.
Most people don't even know these ideas exist, but they're pure gold if you start now.
Depending on location and pricing, selling 50 to 100 meals a day can generate $3,000 to $8,000 monthly, with low labor costs since the machine handles dispensing. Startup investment ranges from $3,000 to $7,000, including machine and initial stock. Marketing is key. Post your machine on local social media groups, offer weekly meal subscriptions, and partner with nearby offices or schools to boost recurring sales. Over time, you can expand to multiple machines across campuses or business hubs, turning a single machine into a mini lunch network. What do you think about this business?
Comment below.
A perfume vending machine taps into impulse buying in high footfall areas like malls, airports, hotels, and event centers. Customers can purchase small bottles for $10 to $20, and a single machine can generate $1,500 to $4,000 monthly depending on traffic. Initial investment is modest, around $3,000 to $10,000, covering the machine and initial perfume stock. Marketing strategies include seasonal promotions, limited edition scents, and social media campaigns targeting fashion-conscious buyers. These machines are highly scalable. One entrepreneur operating 3 machines in busy malls reported nearly $10,000 per month. Placement and product variety are crucial. Offer popular fragrances, bundle deals, or mix in unisex options to maximize sales. Rotate fragrances monthly to keep regular customers coming back for new options. Hot locations like beaches, parks, tourist areas, and residential complexes make ice vending machines extremely profitable. Selling 50 to 100 ice bags daily, these machines can produce $3,000 to $4,500 monthly revenue, with a quick return on investment if electricity and water are efficiently managed. Startup costs are around $5,000 to $12,000, depending on machine size and automation. Marketing is simple but effective. Place signs highlighting convenience, bundle ice with summer promotions, or partner with local vendors needing daily ice supply. Seasonal demand spikes, especially during summer months, can push revenue higher, making ice vending a cash-rich, passive business. Offer a loyalty card for bulk buyers like restaurants or event organizers to boost repeat sales. The protein shake vending machine is a high-margin opportunity in gyms, wellness centers, sports complexes, and office campuses. Each shake sells for $3 to $5, with daily sales of 50 to 100 units, generating $1,500 to $3,000 monthly. Machines cost $4,000 to $8,000, with moderate running costs for ingredients and maintenance. Marketing strategies include loyalty programs for gym members, subscriptions for daily shakes, and social media promotion targeting fitness enthusiasts. Healthy lifestyle trends are growing globally, and with creative flavors or seasonal specials, these machines can become a go-to option for on-the-go protein intake, ensuring steady, recurring income. Include vegan or keto options to attract niche health-conscious buyers. For the perfect machine supplier and to get started with your vending business, contact Entrepreneur Guide today. Frozen food vending machines are ideal in universities, hospitals, and busy office buildings where people need quick meals. Offering items like frozen pizzas, dumplings, or ready-to-cook meals, daily sales of 50 to 80 units can yield $3,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on location and product pricing. Startup investment ranges from $7,000 to $15,000, including the refrigeration unit and initial stock. Marketing includes targeted promotions, QR code ordering for pre-packed meals, and limited-time discounts to attract repeat customers. Frozen foods are always in demand, and with a strategic location, the machine can operate 24/7 without staff, making it highly profitable. Partner with local food brands to rotate popular meals and keep customers interested. The pizza vending machine is a high-demand solution for college campuses, office parks, and transit hubs. It delivers hot, fresh pizzas automatically, selling for $5 to $12 each. Daily sales of 30 to 60 pizzas can generate $3,500 to $7,000 monthly, depending on traffic. Startup costs range from $8,000 to $20,000, including machine, ingredients, and maintenance. Marketing strategies include social media posts highlighting freshly baked pizzas, combo offers, and loyalty programs. Pizza machines attract attention and curiosity, and offering popular or customizable toppings can significantly boost sales. Track peak hours and adjust stock for maximum freshness and minimal waste. Flower vending machines target impulse buyers in malls, hospitals, airports, and hotels. Selling fresh bouquets for $10 to $20, a single machine can earn $1,500 to $3,000 monthly. Initial investment is $4,000 to $8,000, including refrigeration and stock. Marketing focuses on holidays, anniversaries, or gift promotions, plus social media campaigns showcasing fresh bouquets daily. Flowers are seasonal but always in demand, and offering combo packs or subscription services for regular deliveries can increase revenue. Include small greeting cards or chocolate add-ons to increase average transaction value. The phone case printer vending machine is perfect in malls, tech stores, airports, and colleges. Customers can customize and print phone cases instantly for $10 to $20 each, generating $1,500 to $4,000 monthly for a single machine. Investment ranges from $5,000 to $10,000, covering the printer and machine setup. Marketing includes showcasing trending designs on social media, limited edition prints, and bundles. High-traffic locations with tech-savvy shoppers maximize profit, and creative campaigns like seasonal designs or events can increase footfall. Offer preloaded theme designs like holidays, sports teams, or pop culture icons. French fries vending machines are ideal in college campuses, malls, amusement parks, and office areas. Selling fries at $3 to $6 per serving, daily sales of 50 to 80 units can generate $1,500 to $4,000 monthly. Initial investment is $3,500 to $7,000, including the fryer machine, oil, and ingredients. Marketing strategies include combo offers with drinks, social media campaigns, and loyalty cards for repeat buyers. Ready-to-eat comfort food is always in demand, and these machines can operate 24/7 with minimal staffing. Experiment with flavored fries like cheese, chili, or garlic to attract repeat customers. The blind box vending machine is perfect for toy stores, amusement parks, and schools. Selling surprise collectible toys for $5 to $10, machines can earn $1,000 to $3,000 monthly depending on location and foot traffic. Startup cost is $2,500 to $6,000 for the machine and toy stock. Marketing includes themed collections, seasonal specials, and social media campaigns showing unboxing excitement. Impulse buying and collectible trends make blind box vending a consistent revenue generator, especially in high-traffic, kid-friendly areas. Introduce rare collectible items to encourage repeat purchases. Coffee is a daily necessity, making coffee vending machines highly profitable in offices, gyms, schools, and hospitals. Selling cups for $1 to $3, A single machine can generate $1,500 to $4,000 monthly with minimal labor. Startup costs range from $3,000 to $7,000, including machine, coffee beans, and maintenance. Marketing includes office partnerships, loyalty programs, and highlighting convenience. Premium coffee options or seasonal flavors can increase sales, making this a steady passive income source. Offer customizable options like sugar-free, extra shot, or flavored syrups to cater to varied tastes. The fresh juice vending machine thrives in gyms, parks, malls, and airports, selling fresh juices for $3 to $6 per cup. Daily sales of 50 to 80 cups can generate $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. Investment is $4,000 to $8,000, including machine and fruit stock. Marketing includes highlighting health benefits, seasonal flavors, and social media posts. Placement near fitness enthusiasts or high-traffic areas ensures consistent demand, and combo offers or subscriptions can further boost income. Offer detox or energy boost juice packs for specialized customer segments. Introduce flavor of the week specials to encourage repeat visits. Consider adding a loyalty program or punch cards to increase customer retention. Ice cream machines are perfect for parks, malls, beaches, and schools, selling scoops for $2 to $5. Daily sales of 50 to 100 scoops can yield $1,500 to $4,000 monthly, depending on traffic. Startup cost is $4,000 to $8,000, including refrigeration and stock. Marketing includes seasonal promotions, limited-time flavors, and social media highlights. Impulse purchases make ice cream machines a fun and profitable business, especially in warm climates. Rotate flavors weekly to maintain interest and encourage repeat sales. Introduce toppings or mix-ins for higher per-unit revenue. Target local events or school fairs for temporary placement to boost income. A snack vending machine works anywhere with foot traffic: schools, offices, malls, and hospitals. Selling chips, candy, or bars for $1 to $3, daily sales of 100 units can generate $2,000 to $4,000 monthly. Investment is $3,000 to $6,000, including machine and stock. Marketing can include combo offers, highlighting healthy or trending snacks, and social media campaigns. Snacks are evergreen products, ensuring steady revenue year-round. Stock seasonal or trending snacks to capitalize on short-term demand spikes. Rotate healthy and indulgent options to appeal to a wider audience. Use eye-catching machine graphics to attract attention and increase impulse purchases. Healthy food vending machines target gyms, offices, and wellness centers. Offering salads, wraps, or protein bars for $3 to $6, daily sales of 50 to 80 items generate $2,000 to $4,000 monthly. Investment is $4,000 to $9,000, including refrigeration and ingredients. Marketing strategies include loyalty programs, social media promotion, and partnering with health clubs. Health-conscious trends ensure consistent demand, making this a high-margin vending business. Introduce ready-to-eat meal plans for busy professionals to increase order size. Highlight calorie counts and nutritional info to attract diet-conscious buyers. Offer seasonal specials like summer salads or winter soups for variety. Ideal in malls, cinemas, amusement parks, and schools, a popcorn vending machine sells bags for $2 to $5. Daily sales of 50 to 100 bags yield $1,500 to $3,500 monthly. Investment ranges from $3,000 to $6,000, including popcorn maker and machine. Marketing includes combo deals with drinks or candy, social media promotions, and themed popcorn flavors. Popcorn is a classic impulse product, ensuring quick turnover and high profit margins. Offer caramel or cheese flavors to increase per-unit revenue. Introduce large or family-sized bags to increase ticket size. Participate in local events or movie nights for short-term spikes in sales. A candy vending machine works anywhere: schools, malls, parks, or offices, selling chocolates and gummies for $1 to $3. Daily sales of 100 to 150 units can generate $2,000 to $4,000 monthly. Investment is $2,500 to $6,000. Marketing strategies include seasonal promotions, themed candy boxes, and social media campaigns. Candy is an evergreen treat, making this a reliable passive income option. Add small toys or collectible items with candy to boost appeal to children. Use transparent machine windows to display candies attractively and encourage impulse buying. Offer limited edition or seasonal candies to create urgency and excitement. Beverage vending machines thrive in offices, gyms, schools, and hospitals, selling water, soft drinks, or energy drinks for $1 to $3. Daily sales of 100 to 200 units generate $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. Investment is $3,000 to $7,000, covering machine and initial stock. Marketing strategies include bundle deals, highlighting cold drinks in summer, and loyalty promotions. High demand and minimal labor make beverages a profitable vending choice. Include seasonal specialty drinks like iced coffee or lemonade for extra sales. Offer energy or electrolyte drinks near gyms or sports complexes for higher margins. Consider branding the machine with vibrant visuals for better visibility. Perfect for amusement parks, malls, and party stores. The balloon vending machine sells $2 to $5 balloons. Daily sales of 50 to 100 balloons generate $500 to $2,000 monthly. Investment is $2,500 to $5,000, including machine and balloon stock. Marketing includes themed balloons for holidays, birthday parties, and social media ads. Balloons are fun impulse buys, making them an easy, low-maintenance business. Offer helium options or balloon bouquets to increase the average transaction value. Use machine placement near entrances or high-traffic corridors for maximum visibility. Target gyms, parks, malls, and offices with a fresh fruit smoothie vending machine, selling smoothies for $3 to $6. Daily sales of 50 to 80 cups generate $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. Investment is $4,000 to $8,000, including machine and fruit stock. Marketing includes highlighting health benefits, offering seasonal flavors, and loyalty cards. Placement near fitness enthusiasts ensures consistent demand and high repeat customers. Seasonal fruits can reduce costs and attract customers with fresh flavors. I've shared some great vending machine ideas, but now I want to turn the spotlight on you. If I handed you $10,000 cash right now to start your very first vending machine business, you can't sell soda or snacks. What is the craziest, most unique, or most brilliant thing you would sell out of a vending machine? Drop your boldest idea in the comments below. Let's see who has the $1 million concept. So there you have it. 20 vending machine ideas that can earn steady, scalable income anywhere. Pick the right product, find the perfect location, and start small. Test, track, and expand. If you want me to make a detailed breakdown of profit and startup cost for each of these 20 machines, comment below. If you're looking for the best machine supplier details and a complete guide for any of these vending machines, contact us. Link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business ideas that actually make money. Start your vending empire today.